Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna unbox a big one actually, with Khang from Nguyên Khang channel. Let's say hello.
Hello.
Yep. Yeah, thank you Khang for helping me buy this. And obviously we have a special one. This is gonna be for later. And we're gonna unbox the least special one, which is still special. Asia DBX. I've always wanted this.
Yeah. The green is really good though.
Yes, the green is really good, and I wanted the Vanquish too, but sadly cannot find it.
Yeah. So I think this is better than the red one.
Yes, and I have the first edition one actually.
Yeah.
I have the what is it? Yeah, the black one.
Yeah.
First edition one is the black one.
The black and the...
That video is gonna be up there. Click in there. Actually, no, don't click in it because it was when we were very small actually.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Okay. Wait. Let's use the tool that I make.
Tools. Oh my god.
That way then.
Come on, pull it up.
No, don't pull it too hard. Shit, it's already deformed.
Okay. Good.
Oh, look at
wow.
this. I like this green actually.
Whoa.
This green is really good.
Man, this looks
Metallic green.
absolutely stunning though. Wow. Ooh.
Oh, look at that metallic green suspension. The interior is black for some reason.
Yeah, I think
It should be brown
brown. Yeah. Great
or
combination.
like beige interior. DBX. That's really nice. This is the Asia special only in Southeast Asia. No, sorry, only in Asia. So not in Japan. Suspension.
Okay, suspension.
Nice. Thank you, Khang. It's gonna go in here.
Okay, so
This very special. This is also really special because it's rare,
yeah.
and the model is really good. I like this model.
Yeah, the Mazda Cosmo.
Wait.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, have a bit of nasal problem, but anyway. Ooh, there's a blue thing in the wheel. Can you guys see that? The blue thing in the wheel.
Oh, yes, the logo or something. Yeah.
Is it the logo or is it the racing thing? Like, you know, the racing wheel. It has to have like, yeah. It has to have like red and blue in both sides. Oh, that's good.
Wow.
That one is there.
The
Displaying
nameplate.
the nameplate.
No, I think that the Tomica Limited display looks really good though.
Yes, it's really good. It's much better than premium because
Yeah,
it has a rubber
exposed.
wheel. Yeah.
It exposed. Yeah. Wow. Very shiny wheels.
Chrome.
Wow. Chrome
Yes.
everywhere.
That's blue thing is the logo, and obviously you can go open the
The doors.
doors. I think the Tomitech one can open bonnet.
Yeah.
But
But
it's
this looks really,
Really
good.
expensive and rare. Look at the
Cosmo
face.
and
Look
the-
at the face.
Yeah, smiley face, and also the logos. Yeah, look really nice. Wow.
That chrome wheel is so good, man. Okay, let's come to the rear. I really like the rear.
Yeah, it's yeah.
The paint finish is really good. In gloss paint, and it has the Mazda emblem, sort of printed actually.
Yeah.
3D. No, sorry. That Cosmo badge is actually. Is it touchable? Yes, it's a bit.
It's touchable. It's not the print.
It's actually like, how can I say, like sort of stepped up. How can I say, like, but shit.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
touchable.
it's touchable.
Oh, it's touchable, man.
It's touchable. It's like an actual badge.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Yeah. The
Wow, I
Mazda,
think it's-
this is really good actually.
Yeah,
I
it's
really
really
like this.
rare. Yeah.
So let's tell them the story. Let's tell the viewer about the story of getting this car. So basically,
Yeah. So as a Christmas program at school, and I tell
Secret Santa is it?
yeah, it's Secret Santa.
Yes.
Yeah, I tell the guy to give me. Yeah. So please give me this thing and
Yes,
and
basically ordering stuff
ordering stuff.
to give to people.
Yeah,
because
it's really lucky that guy give this thing, not another.
yes.
Yeah, another bush. Yeah,
So basically, this is supposed to be Khang's gift,
but
but I like it so much.
so it end up in John's hands.
Yes, but I have to exchange
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
To exchange something.
Yeah.
But that will be come in later. That's I should exchange a Tomitech with this because I think this is better.
Yeah, much better.
And obviously it has
Right.
very nice suspension. Front suspension very long, but the rear one is very short.
Yeah.
But it's still good. Still fucking good, man. This is
Wow.
very good.
Really.
You know what's even good? What? Sorry. You know what's even better? This.
Yes.
So, this is gonna be a toughie to open, but I'm gonna can you put that together.
Let me clean up these.
That is Kang's hand, by the way.
Yeah.
Muscular, big ass hand. Anyway,
Alright.
right. Let's unbox, shall we? Oh man, look at that. Very satisfied to open.
Yeah. Not some complex packaging, right? Not some complex packaging. Very simple. Just a few tapes. Okay.
I hope it's not like broken. I really hope it's not because it's quite cheap. And it's an event model.
Wow.
You can see the yellow thing.
Yes.
You can see the yellow thing here. Oh my god. Damn.
Right, put it up. Let's show the viewers.
Oh damn. That is really protective
Wow.
stuff. Oh,
Thanks to the shop.
come on.
Damn.
Let's see the box. It's not damaged. As you can see,
Really good condition.
really good condition at the box, only the box. Let's see the inside. Ooh. Blood is playing with the, he's playing with the
Bubble
thing.
wrap
Yes. Okay.
So
Use the
let's-
special tool
to unbox
that
it.
I made.
Especially for this. Oh.
Oh, this is intense.
Oh my god, hell no. Wow.
Yes, good. That's good. Please hope. Oh, damn.
Damn.
You can see the yellow thing in there.
Yeah.
Yellow car.
The Honda Civic. So should we compare with the silver one? You have.
Yes. Oh, I have.
Let me take the silver.
It's on the second floor. Second story.
Yeah.
Up there.
Yeah, okay, I know. I saw that. Okay.
Okay. Right. Oh, that's a bad voice crack. Anyway. Ooh, damn.
Looks really mint. So you got those. John got another silver one. Yes. Wow.
Now that is what I call. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, you can feel. Okay, so that's why it's cheap. That's why it's cheap. It's a bit yeah.
Paint rush.
Nah, I don't care.
A
This is
bit
so
rush.
good already.
Yeah. Check the suspension. Let's check the suspension, please. Hope it's not.
Oh!
Man, you're more lucky than me, man. So mine is.
That's good.
Yeah.
Your suspension is fucked. My paint is fucked.
Yeah, but my paint is a little bit rush also.
Oh
Wow.
really? Yeah.
A little bit,
Very bad brush in there. But overall, I have no problem with this car, man.
Man, it's look
I
like
especially like
Yeah.
the vent.
the spoon version.
So that wheel is a bit wobbly.
Yeah.
But-
So, but my wheel is okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Now the rear end looks really good.
Oh, that just
I like the Civic of the yellow one. The white one is okay, but the yellow one I feel is more special.
yes, it's better.
Yeah.
The white one is a bit too I don't like the white one.
Yeah, the white one.
Oh my
I think
God.
the white EK is good, but not special at this. Okay,
So this car don't have brake calipers,
Yeah.
but then it's an event model, which is very. This is my first Tomitech event model actually.
Yeah.
This is my first one.
Yeah, it's a special one. So you got the EK, the S2000.
Yes.
It's the Honda Trinity. Yeah.
Yes, and I have the NSX too.
Yeah. Man, I'm still looking for the NSX though. Okay, let's see the silver one, the normal version.
This is the new one, the new box.
Yeah,
I like the old box better. The
Yeah,
old box
it's
is more
simple.
simple and it's the
Classic,
color thing.
a bit classic,
yeah,
right?
classic.
It looks like from the mid 2000s. Wow. Also good. Yeah. But I think the EK this form, this one, I think it's white better. I think if this thing white.
I like the silver one.
Yeah,
the
silver.
more I look at it, the more I loved it.
Yeah. Okay, so got the silver one and the
So the bonnet on this car look like it can be opened, but it actually cannot be opened.
Yeah, it's
the only reason why they do it is because they can do this.
yeah. So the parts are so this thing can remove the bumper, but you should not do it.
Yes, of course. Every Tomitech can remove the bumper. Actually,
Not really. The Auto 5 can't.
not the Auto 5, but the Evo 6 can.
Yeah, but you should not do
Should
it.
not do that.
Yeah. Unless you custom it or something else, but
That's really good.
yeah.
That color is way like much more stand out than the silver one.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a 99 spec. This is a 99. That is also the 99.
That's 99. Last model year of this actually. Last year.
Yeah. Before they switched into the EP3.
Yeah. Oh, that's just good.
Yeah.
The suspension trouble on this one is a bit higher,
Yeah.
but then again, this car look better.
Yeah. Looks especially with the carbon fiber bonnet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or hood as the American cars, and that's it basically. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Hang for buying this for me.
And also with this Secret Santa MF.
Yes.
Secret Santa MF.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.